In this video, you will learn that in two quite other ways, the burning of fossil fuels will cause our rain to become acidified. Sulfuric acid arises from the burning of coal and oil, principally in power stations, whereas acid arises from the exhaust pipes of our motor vehicles. You will also see a number of the consequences that acid precipitation has on our environment. First of all, it's important to grasp the rain is of course slightly acidic. While falling to the ground, the rain dissolves dioxide from the atmosphere to make carbonic acid, a weak acid giving natural rain a pH of 6. It's once we burn fossil fuels that a lot of stronger acids get into our rain to make acid precipitation with a pH as low as 3. When the pH changes from 6 to 3, what does one assume the acidity will increase by? A pair of times, 3 times, 10 times, 1,000 times. Pause and assume. Remember that every modification of 1 in pH may be multiple change in the acidity. Thus, changing from 6 to 3 is 10 times or 1,000 times additional acidic.
Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. The chemical formula for the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Next is here. So this is an example of a sulfate that is commonly found in fertilizers, fungicides, or pesticides. Itong mga sulfates natin na ito ay kina-commonly take up ng ating mga plants here on the right picture. Itong mga sulfates na ito, kinukuha ito ng mga plants and over time, nagdi-dissolve siya and turns into coal or fossil fuels. Pero, paano ba ito nakakasama sa pag-form ng acid rain? So, kagaya nga nasabi ni Eli kanina, na ang rain merong konting acid. And as time goes, nagkakaroon tayo ng as time goes, nag-dissolve yung yung plant natin and turns into coal para masama siya sa pag-form ng acid rain natin. Next po natin ay sulfur content. So, itong sulfur content na ito na makita natin pagkatapos ng pag-dissolve or ng plants natin, ang mangyayari ay burnt po pala yan, burnt. Ang mangyayari ay what is produced when fossil fuels containing sulfur are burnt. So, yung mga yellow natin na nakita dyan, yung mga yellow, yan. Itong mga yellow or itong mga sulfur natin ay nag-mix siya with carbon dioxide, as you can see on the right picture. Then after it bonds with carbon dioxide, ang mangyayari as time passes through, magiging sulfur dioxide siya, sulfur trioxide, and eventually magkakaroon na tayo ng SO4 ay H2SO4 or our sulfuric acid. So, isa-isayin natin to. So, dahil meron tayong sulfur dioxide at carbon dioxide, mag-mix sila together. Dahil na-burnt yung yung solid containing sulfur, yung molecules na molecules na solid na yun which contains sulfur, ma-scattered throughout the air. Kaya magbaband siya into some oxygen. Kaya ang nangyari naging sulfur dioxide siya. And of course, we know carbon dioxide, the one that we get when we exhale. Or kung sa mga factories, ganun po. And now next ay as time passes by, nagbaband pa siya into more elements, kaya from sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. And next is our it bonds to H2O or water to form sulfuric acid. So next naman po natin ay ang nitric acid. So nitric acid, ito po ang process niya kung paano po siya nagagawa. So dahil meron po tayo sa ating mga combustions in our car, meron po tayo mga combustible na materials dito such as yung container surrounding the engine of the vehicle. Ngayon, sa engine ng vehicle na to, meron siyang nitrogen and oxygen. Of course, kaya nga meron tayong nitro na sinasabi. Then, of course, dahil sobrang init ng ating combustor, ang mangyayari doon ay pwede mag-leak ang ibang nitrogen due to the kinetic molecular theory. Dahil sa kinetic molecular theory, nagkakaroon pa ng meron tayong mga smaller but larger in number na nitrogen oxide. Dahil doon, ang mangyayari, once na i-combust ng ating combustor yung nitrogen oxide, alabas na siya sa air. Then, nasa air na siya ngayon. Tapos, yung oxygen surrounding the nitrogen oxide, mag-bond pa siya sa ibang oxygen. Then, mag-form siya into N2O5. Then, after that, pag nagkaroon na tayo ng rain, mag-bond siya to water. Tapos magkakaroon tayo or mag-form na tayo ng nitric acid. So next na po natin ay why is acid rain harmful? So dito po ang ating mga pictures. Nagdemonstrate po ito kung paano nagiging harmful ang ating acid rain. Ang unang-una yung acid conditions. Sa acid conditions natin, katulad ng sa insoluble and soluble, the aluminum in the soil is non-harmful for plants dahil yun yung kinukuha ng ating plants for their nutrients. Pero, pag nagkakaroon tayo ng acid rain, nangyayari, naging soluble ang ating mga molecules in the soil. At dahil naging soluble ang mga molecules doon, ang nangyayari doon, yun yung tinitake up ng ating plant. Then, they became drought or parang nawawalan sila ng life dahil doon. At dahil sa acid rain, ang nangyayari, na-wash away yung essential na mga elements na kailangan ng plants, which is the potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Kaya, as we can see here on the bottom right of our screen, yan po ang nangyayari pag kakaroon po tayo ng acid rain. And also, meron tayong pagpe-preserve ng food. As we can see here, we have vinegar and water. Then, we have a container and the subject, which is the potato. Dito po, kung bakit nape-preserve natin yung food or yung ating potato dahil sa certain enzymes. Sa mga enzymes na ito, ang ginagawa ng acid or ng acid conditions ay tinatrap niya yung pag-grow or pagkaroon ng chemical reaction ng ating potato. This is alternative resources, and that's the end. Thank you.